Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to fix Roblox lag on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. While playing Roblox, if you're facing any lag or graphics related issue, then you can easily fix it by just changing the graphics settings. For that, simply click on the Roblox icon. Here click on settings and here look for graphics mode. Simply change it to manual and lower the graphics quality and save the changes, and it should fix the lag issue. However, if you're still facing the lag issue, then you can simply update Roblox. For that, open Google Play Store, search for Roblox and check if any update available. If available, simply install it. So that's it. This is how you can fix Roblox lag on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.